My good friends over there at Klaiyi Hair. They're one of my most favorite human hair wig makers. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you are an oldie but goodie, well, so y'all know that's how we do human hair on this channel. I have to try a human hair wig 3-4 times to see the quality, the ease, the affordability of the wig. And once they check all those boxes, I add them to my rotation. Y'all know Klaiyi checked those boxes a very long time ago. I love them, love them, love them. If you look at that description box, I'm going to put a direct link to the exact wig that I'm wearing, as well as their social medias and all of that. I cannot remember what I ordered. All I did was take this out of the shipping packaging because you guys know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig came, of course, in this little DHL, FedEx, UPS, I can't remember, shipping packaging. And then the wig was in this silk storage sack with their branding on it. And then inside of the sack, we have the hard box that the wig came in. Aside from the wig, they have included some extras. They've included some hair clips in a little zipper pouch. We also have an edge band with their branding on it, some pressed stone nails, and some HD wig cap. So some nice little extras that you actually will. All right, so this wig is 22 inches long. And it is Yaki straight, and it's one of those pre-everything wigs. So y'all know I have absolutely fallen in love with those units because I cannot comb hair, and these units make, y'all, wish y'all see the color on this. These units, these pre-everything wigs make everything so easy. Y'all, look at this color. Let me take out this packaging. Ooh wee, y'all, look. Absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with this color. As far as the cap construction goes, you get quite a bit of parting space. I think that's a 4x4, but like I said, look in the description box so you will see for sure what that is. You get a comb here to the right, a comb to the left. You also get y'all, wait, I need to go look something up because this is different. You get some lace in the back with combs and some adhesion. I see some drawstring tabs on this, y'all. I need to go see what I ordered because this clearly is something special. I need to go, let me go back to the drawing board, y'all. Be right back. Y'all know it is rare that I'm ever left speechless, but this wig has made me speechless. So this is the wig, right? And I said I'll pre-everything, right? Watch this. Same wig. Yo, how dope is that? I was trying to remember, like, why is it too, like, whatever. I can't remember the measurements on this part of space, but why is it 2 of those in there? And that is why, y'all. Let me show you again. So this is the wig, right? Very, very pretty. Y'all. This magic dual lace unit that Klaiyi has done is absolutely gorgeous. Let me just flip it one more time because y'all, that is just so pretty to me. So it's like this. Flip it over, bam, a whole new wig. This is 2 wigs in one. So to look at that cap construction again, so you get ample parting space on this side with the 2 combs there. But then if you look on the other side of the wig, you also get ample parting space. And that is how you are able to flip the wig. This might be a game changer, y'all. And they've made it one of those pre-everything wigs. So everything has been done for you. It's been pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all of that. 2 amazing wigs in one. All right, y'all. Let's play around with this unit. I'm excited to see if it's that easy on my head as it was on my hand. Let's play around with this unit, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig. You know you have to be careful because sometimes things can be gimmicky. Y'all, this wig is not a gimmick. I am actually very, very pleasantly surprised at how much I like this wig. The fact that I can have two wigs in one, that means affordable. And y'all, Klaiyi still gave us the great quality of hair that they always deliver. The other key thing to put about this wig, I love that at the ears they have made that M cap to where it fits comfortably on my head. You can adjust it with the drawstring. This is just a very, very, very pretty wig. And I cannot believe the color options that I got. It looks like two separate wigs, but it is, I'm just a little shook. So can I recommend this wig? Yes, wholeheartedly I can recommend this. If you are trying to get into human hair, but you don't know if you want to bite the bullet and pay for human hair, this is a wig that I recommend because you're getting two wigs for the price of one. Go check out their website. I'll be sure to drop the links in the description box because they have other color combinations other than just this one. They have different textures. So I definitely think this is one that you need to try out, boo. Until next, talk to me in the comments. Tell me what y'all thoughts are. Do you think it's gimmicky or do you think like, that's pretty dope? That's pretty dope. I think it's pretty dope. Talk to me in the comments. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.